Hello and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood technician. Today I have the headlight assembly from a CLA45, which is a 117 chassis. This one, it doesn't work. It actually had some water intrusion and so it stopped working. So we replaced it, but now I'm going to take it apart as completely as I can and we're going to see what's inside. Alright, so here we have Bi-Xenon. See right there. Bi-Xenon. There's the part number for it. Made in the Czech Republic. You can kind of see there's a bit of debris and stuff in there. And the front's all scratched, but there's kind of, yeah, there's some stuff right. Where's it at? Right there. Stuff inside the headlight. Oh, there we go. Right there. There's a good picture. A lot of stuff got in here. Dirt, water. So, just stopped working. Come on. There we go. Yeah. You can see where it was full of water in there. There's the Bi-Xenon bulb. Not sure if the bulb's any good or not. It might be. I'm gonna hold on to it. Oh, there's what it looks like inside. There's some adjustment screws. Control module went right here. But when you get the headlights that have water intrusion, sometimes when you have the control modules that are vertical like this, they don't really get the water inside these because the water settles at the bottom. So when this connector is this high off the bottom of the headlight, you're gonna have to fill this headlight up pretty far with water before it actually affects the control module. So this control module was still good. This is the bottom. This is where another control module goes. This is actually the control module for it. You can kind of see in there how it's got all contaminated with water and dirt and whatnot. So we're going to take this apart too and see what this looks like on the inside. Now the lens is held on by this black sticky stuff. This stuff works really great when you're trying to put bolts or screws in some place that's straight down and you have to stick the bolt or the screw to whatever you're trying to do, and you can just let it go straight down. Well, there you have it. There's the inside of a CLA45 by Xenon headlight. You can see right here where there was some water settling. You can see dirt and yeah. So let's keep taking it apart. All right, now we got some T20 Torx screws to take off. There's one right here, one right here, here. There's one right down here, down here. Then we're gonna pull this LED chunk out. Then there's some more LEDs over there that you can see. lens looks like. So I want to try to keep all these wires intact, so I'm going to try to remove them all without snipping them or cutting them. This is the harness for the bi-xenon bulb. Or damaging them. Try that too. There we go. That goes over to where that control module mounts on the bottom. That's why the headlight didn't work. And there's another circuit board right here with another connector on it. Well, here's the bi-xenon lens and bulb module. That's pretty much it for the inside of that headlight. There's a little LED for that. Side marker light works. Same with these. It's a nice aluminum sheet. All right, here's the control module. Let's see what this looks like inside. Yep, there's all a bunch of corrosion and corrosion all over this thing. So that's what happens when you get water inside a control unit. I would love to try to get this thing working. Maybe I can make some kind of light out of it. But the only problem is you would need a working control unit, because this HID bulb, or bi-xenon, it says 35 watts. But the control unit for it puts out about 1200 volts. So I don't really have anything. We got a battery down there, but I don't have anything that's going to put out 1200 volts. So, yeah. Well, thank you for watching. Hopefully that was entertaining for you. I have more headlights to disassemble also. I have one from a GLE, a 167 chassis, and I also have a 222 chassis S-Class headlight. Right there. A couple more. So, we're going to take those apart. Other videos. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and make sure you hit the notification icon so you can get notifications when I post a new video. See ya.